Hi friends, welcome back. If you remember in our Explore today, I showed you my whiteboard, which looked like this. I had drawn some dots on it, and your job was to draw how many more I would need to get to 10. The first thing we had to figure out was how many dots did I draw? So let's check. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I drew 5 dots on my board. Your job was to draw how many more dots. So, if I had already drawn 5, how many would you need to draw to make 10? That's right. Your job was to draw 5 more dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because we know 5 and 5 makes 10. But you know what? Maybe you forgot that 5 and 5 makes 10. Let me show you another way you might have used our counting skills to figure out how many more to draw. If you knew that I drew 5, you don't have to count all those 5. We can count on, remember, that means to start at a number that is not 1, and then we're going to stop at a certain number. What number are we going to stop at? 10. Very good, because we're trying to get to 10. So if I already drew 5, you don't have to draw and count those 5. So we're going to count on. The next number, the next circle I draw, I'm going to say the next number after 5. What's the next number after 5? 6. Very good. Mrs. McCarver drew 5 on her board, so you're going to draw and count on. 6, 7. Tell me when to stop when I get to 10. 8, 9, 10. You should have said stop there. So instead of counting all 5 that Mrs. McCarver already drew again, I just counted on. I remembered and held that in my head that Mrs. McCarver had already drawn 5, so I counted on. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's try another one together. All right, here we go. Here is my board. This is how many are already on it. Let's see. Can you tell? If you need to, you can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, let's count on while we draw. Mrs. McCarver already put 7 on her board. How will we get to 10? Ready? There's already 7. So what's the next number we're going to say? 8, 9, 10. By counting on, we started at 7 because that's what Mrs. McCarver had already drawn and shown on the screen, and we said the next numbers, 8, 9, 10, and then we stopped. So how many did we need to draw? We needed to draw 3 more. If you have 7, you can count on and count on 3 more numbers to get to the number 10.